Well, hello there folks, David your friendly hairy Scotsman here once again. This time it's kind of like a cooking thing, kind of like a review, kind of like something that a student would rattle up for lunch, but it's something that I really like. What we start off with is a pot noodle. The Bombay Bad Boy is my favourite. We have fries to go, which are a microwavable box of chips, salt and vinegar crisps, Mrs. Ball's chutney from South Africa, vinegar, brown vinegar, and that is basically it. So what we do, I've just boiled the kettle, so we peel back the lid on this, we take out the hot sauce. I don't use this hot sauce, I find it's just heat for the sake of it. There's very little taste in it at all. Then we get the kettle. I'll pop the camera down here so we can actually see what I'm doing. Like that. Twist it around there a wee touch. Right. So a bit. Pour the water in. Like so. Up to the fill line. I usually go a wee bit more. Then pop that over there. It says it takes about 4 minutes, I usually give it a bit longer. We open the crisps. Again, as I say, salt and vinegar are the ones that I like putting in. Crush them all up. And I have to go and pop them in the microwave for 2 minutes. So what I'll do, I'll pop back after the 2 minutes. And we'll start getting everything ready, because you don't want to just hear me waffling on for 2 minutes. Back in a bit. Okay, I'm back. So these have now opened up, cooked I should say. Open them up. What I like to do is you just tip them out like so. There. Put them together. Through the middle. Up there. And there. Throw them in the bowl, like so. Bring the bowl over here, and I give them a little squirt of vinegar. What I'll also do about now is put a wee squirt of vinegar in with the pot noodle, and some of the Mrs. Ball's sauce, like so. A splash more. That's in there. Zoom into that way a wee bit. Like so. Once again, pop these all together. The bubbling you can hear in the background is a pot of soup, which you may or may not have already seen in the videos. That's one that I've just done. Splash that in there. Another little sprinkle of vinegar. You can probably tell by now, I do quite like my vinegar. And again. Through the middle. We chop. We chop. Put that in there. Guess what? Yep, another wee splash of vinegar. Give it a wee stir around. Grab the crisps. Bring them in there. Again, give it a wee stir. Move all this stuff out the road. It's there. This is about ready now. As you can see, it's softened up a bit. So I'm giving it a good stir around. There's peas and sweet corn and all that in there. Normally I flick the peas and the sweet corn out because I don't like reconstituted veg like that much. But couldn't be bothered today. So that's like that, and then it goes in there. Scrape it all out. Like so. At the bottom. Once again, waste nothing. Give it all a really good stir so it's all mixed in nicely. Zoom in nice and tight on that. There we go. See if you could smell this just now. Oh, it's amazing. And what you can do if you want, you can eat it like this, or you can put a fried egg on it, or a poached egg on it. But I'm just going to have it like this. So we'll go wide, and we'll come up. So, try not to jam my finger in here. Come around a bit, just give myself a bit more light. That's a bit better. There we go. So, there we are. Noodles, chips, crisps, and some more spicy bits in it. That is just nice. It's got just a nice wee tingle on it for heat wise. There we go. That might be, there we go, that'll be the thumbnail about there. That is so good. So I'm going to go off and finish that off now. Hope you're all keeping well out there. Take care, and hopefully talk to you all soon. If you haven't already, I would appreciate it if you hit the red button and the bell, let you know when I'm putting up more of these things. Take care. See ya.